Good morning. It's Friday, October 13th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Light showers moving through south and middle Georgia, moving up from the south to the north, and we're going to have that pattern as we move through the day today. A few thunderstorms starting to move in to extreme southeast Georgia, down around St. Mary's and Kingsland, just crossing in from the Florida line. So a few rumbles of thunder possible, mainly along the Georgia coast, but most of this rain we're going to experience today will be hitting some fairly stable air, so just light showers, and that's pretty much all it's going to be. Let's take a look at the temperatures around the state. Show some upper 50s in North Georgia, low to mid 60s across middle and south Georgia, so fairly mild start as we get going this morning. That's that tropical air that continues to push in, and as we head toward the end of the weekend, that's going to be a big change. Instead of the tropical air moving south to north, we're going to have cooler, drier air moving north to south. Let's take a look at the tropics. Speaking of which, we have Tropical Storm Sean, which has sort of redeveloped again. We had Sean down to a tropical depression yesterday and now showing some development, but hitting some very unfavorable air there. A lot of wind shear that's going to continue to pull that storm apart once again, but it is hanging on for dear life. And then we have the Yellow X. Just a slight chance of development over the next 48 hours, but a very good chance of development over the next 7 days. And I was just looking at the long-term models on this storm. Could become an issue in northern South America up toward the Lesser Antilles, but probably not a factor for the southeast United States. If it is, it'll be pretty close to the end of the month before it gets across the Atlantic. It's moving fairly slowly. Let's take a look at the track for Sean. Again, tropical storm this morning. Those maximum sustained winds at 45 miles per hour. Expected to move up toward the northwest, back down to a tropical depression, and possibly going post-tropical and just turning into remnants by the end of the weekend and into the early part of next week. So no threat from Sean. Let's take a look at the modeling. Working out perfectly. The model is exactly what the radar looks like. That's what we like to see, even showing those thunderstorms down there along the Georgia coastline. So we see those storms continue to move up towards Savannah through the mid-morning hours. Light showers cutting through most of the state. So pretty much all of us may see a little light shower here and there. And then once that goes away, we'll see another little band of light showers moving in. We head through the late afternoon hours, starting to clear out as far as the rain is concerned in South Georgia, Albany, Camilla, and Bainbridge. But showers continue in north and middle Georgia. Overnight tonight, we'll start to push that rain up into South Carolina. Still a few showers left over in Augusta. By tomorrow morning, we're going to replace the rain with just a few clouds, but it will be breezy. Breezy throughout the day. Maybe a few showers kicking up in North Georgia. Not likely. This is sort of the low-res modeling, so showing the possibility of some rain, but not really sure a lot of that's going to work out, but we'll see. We head through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. We continue to clear out, still very breezy. Wind will start to shift as we head into early Sunday morning. Throughout the day on Sunday, that cooler, drier air moving in. Still very windy throughout the day. Atlanta could see those wind gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour and even stronger winds up in the North Georgia mountains. Heading into Sunday evening, we continue to stay mainly clear and still very breezy. Starting out next week, looking good, too, across the state of Georgia. Now your latest forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.